So this is our first art expo. I've been to a bunch around the world, but when we were invited, it was an honor, and we've enjoyed it so far. It's going very well. We've got a lot of really positive responses, and I can see us coming back next year bigger and better.
In the last decades or more, I've been exhibiting exhibitions all over the world, from Asia to Europe and New York, LA. But this is the first time that I've done the Reno Tahoe International Art Show, and I'm very, very impressed at the exhibitors and also with the promoters and the directors. And it's an opportunity for me to share my vision of communication. It's both abstract and figurative, and it is my collective philosophy that I want to share and open to the world, and particularly this weekend with Reno.
We're excited. It's nicely going. We love to support our artists and exhibit them in different art fairs around the world. We love it because some clients that came here and they say, "Oh, we visited your gallery before," and that. So it's nice. It's putting us out there, and that's what we want. We want to support our artists. So far, it's been great.
Being in Reno again has made me feel nostalgic in a good way for years past, and also seeing how it's changed makes me proud of where I'm from with the arts scene. I was telling some customers this Reno Tahoe International Art Show is some of the first signs that I'm seeing of like a reviving art culture here. It's been nice to see.
This art show gave me so much exposure that it just changed my perspective and really changed my world in many ways. It's almost like a little miniature museum, which we don't get in Nevada. So I think it opens the worldview of everybody here in the area.
I'm speechless about the talent that I'm seeing this year, that you take the seed of what we had last year and multiply it by about 150 times, and that's the richness that we're seeing this year. I'm honored and blown away to have the opportunity to do this in my backyard.
The show has actually been really, really refreshing. There's so many different elements to it. It's not just artists in booths. I think the educational element has been amazing. Watching Peter Hazel create an actual sculptural piece here on site is incredible. Having all of the post-burn sculpture work here is amazing. It feels like you walk around every corner and there's something different. I mean, there's just so much going on here. It's been a pleasure to be part of.
It's been magical. I have no preconceptions. It's pretty much the way I do my life anyway. For me with this show, I love because we're becoming a village for this short period of time and a community for this short period of time, and we're captivated with each other. We're seriously in awe and appreciation and fandom with each other in all the booths that we're seeing.
Our time here at the Reno Tahoe International Art Show has been terrific. A lot of wonderful people, some old friends, but some new people as well. Individuals that we didn't realize were art buyers, were interested in art. And so the awareness that this fair is bringing to the community and really the region is terrific. It's outstanding going forward. I really have a lot of faith and optimism that this is only going to grow and become a signature and flagship event here in the Reno Tahoe area.
This year, it's over the top. And he's really trying to bring something really awesome to Reno, and I can't wait till next year. I can't imagine next year.